Good evening and welcome everybody to tonight's Performance Scrutiny Committee Partnerships on this Wednesday, 11th of March 2026. So first of all, just to remind colleagues that the Scrutiny Committee meeting is being live streamed on a hybrid basis in accordance with the Local Government and Elections Wales Act 2021, which will operate alongside the Council Standing Orders. The Council Standing Orders and Code of Conduct will apply at all times and members should conduct themselves accordingly. A recorded version of this meeting will be uploaded for public viewing as soon as possible after the meeting. Welsh translation of the proceedings can be provided upon request, and the images and sound recording may also be used for training purposes within the Council. Thank you, colleagues, for that, allowing me to do that reminder. So the first agenda point we have is apologies. Is there apologies, please?
Apologies, Chair, from Councillor Druitt and Councillor Hussain.
That's great, thank you very much there. And any declarations of interest, please? No, thank you very much then. So we now go over to the minutes of the previous meeting, which were held on the 7th of January 2026, which looked at the Gwent Regional Violence Against Women, Domestic Abuse and Sexual Violence Strategy Progress Update. Is colleagues satisfied? Can I see hands up, or is there any matters arising? We'll take no matters arising, okay. And can I have a proposer that they're factually correct, please? Yeah, I see two in the room. That's great. Thank you very much, colleagues. Okay, thank you very much there. And we move on to the scrutiny advisory reports there, please.
Okay, thanks very much for that, Chair. So in Part A and Part C of the scrutiny advisory reports, just to advise the committee of the actions and outcomes which have been commented on. We've emailed the committee with these comments. Anyone's outstanding that we'll chase up them as well. The next committee meeting will be on Wednesday, the 25th of March. We'll be discussing the Newport live update. Also, the 8th meeting, which was planned for the end of April, that's now been cancelled. So we'll receive the South East Wales Adoption Service and the Fostering Services updates via information report. So if the committee do have any comments in relation to that report, you send it over to the team. We'll send it over to officers. Any comments?
That's great, Neil, thank you. And any comments from any colleagues? No, that's great, thank you very much there. So we move on to the agenda item number 5, which is the Safe in Newport Community Safety Partnership City Centre update. I will read out a statement as well. So the next item of business includes a discussion of exempt information as defined in Schedule 12A of the Local Government Act 1972. Namely, information related to any information taken or to be taken in connection with the prevention, investigation or prosecution of crime. The monitoring officer has advised that it would be appropriate for the committee to resolve to exclude the public from the meeting for the duration of this item of business, and that's in accordance with the section 100I and paragraph 18 of part 4 of the Local Government Act 1972. So thank you for allowing me to read that, and just to note, colleagues will now be added in shortly for those online, and we'll make sure that there is no public or press within the committee. Thank you.